Hello, and welcome to some science stuff. Let's take a journey inside a leaf and uncover its amazing internal structure. First is the cuticle. The cuticle is a waxy layer covering the upper epidermis of the leaf, made of a substance called cutin. The cuticle acts as a waterproof barrier, reducing water loss from the leaf's surface. Next is the upper epidermis. The upper epidermis is the single layer of cells covering the top surface of the leaf. It provides protection from water loss, UV radiation, and pathogens. It also secretes a waxy cuticle. Mesophyll. Mesophyll is the tissue between the upper and lower epidermis of the leaf, responsible for photosynthesis. It contains chloroplasts for capturing sunlight and carrying out photosynthesis. It's further divided into two types of cells. First is the palisade cell. These are tightly packed cells that contain a high number of chloroplasts. They are specialized in photosynthesis due to their abundance of chloroplasts for capturing sunlight. Second is the spongy mesophyll. They are the irregularly shaped cells in the lower region of the mesophyll, containing air spaces between them. They allow for gas exchange within the leaf due to the air spaces. Next comes the chloroplasts. These are specialized organelles within plant cells containing chlorophyll, the green pigment responsible for capturing sunlight during photosynthesis. Chloroplasts convert sunlight energy into chemical energy, that is glucose, through photosynthesis. The guard cells. These are the pair of specialized cells surrounding each stomata, responsible for opening and closing the pore. By changing their shape, that is inflating or deflating, guard cells control the size of the stomata opening, regulating gas exchange and water loss. Lower epidermis. It is the single layer of cells covering the underside of the leaf. Similar to the upper epidermis, it provides protection and contains more stomata for gas exchange. At last, the stomata. These are the microscopic pores on the leaf surface which allow for gas exchange, that is carbon dioxide intake and oxygen release. Controlled by guard cells, stomata open and close to regulate gas exchange and water loss. From the protective epidermis to the photosynthetic mesophyll and the vascular bundles that transport water and food, every part of a leaf plays a vital role in sustaining plant life. Every leaf is a masterpiece of nature, carefully designed to capture sunlight, exchange gases, and produce the food that sustains life on Earth. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson. Happy learning!